In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. If you're editing in CapCut on your computer, the good news is that saving your work is very simple. In most cases, CapCut helps protect your progress automatically, so you don't need to constantly worry about manually saving every small change. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for so you can be sure your project is mahfuz and ready when you need it. First, open your project in CapCut. Make sure you're inside the project you want to continue working on before making any changes. Once it's open, go ahead and edit as you normally would. You can trim clips, add text, adjust audio, apply effects, or make any other changes you need. After you make your edits, give CapCut a few seconds to process and save those changes. This part is important, especially if you've just made several adjustments quickly. To confirm that your work has been saved, look toward the top left area of the screen. You should see an auto-saved message along with a timestamp showing when your latest changes were saved. That timestamp is a helpful indicator because it lets you know your most recent edits have already been stored. A useful tip here is not to close the project immediately after making a change. Waiting just a moment allows the autosave feature to finish, which can help you avoid losing recent edits. If you also want to create a saved video file from your project, go to the top right corner and click Export. This opens a small export window where you can configure your output settings. In that window, you can adjust details like the project name, where the exported file will be saved, the resolution, bitrate, and other available settings. Take a moment to review these options carefully, since they affect the quality and file size of your final video. Once everything looks right, click Export again to begin exporting the project. This step is different from the autosave feature. Autosave keeps your editable CapCut project updated, while exporting creates a video file you can watch, upload, or share outside the editor. And that's it. To save your project in CapCut PC, simply open the project, make your edits, wait for the autosave confirmation in the top left, and if needed, use Export to create the final video file. Following these steps makes it easy to keep your work safe and make sure your project is ready whenever you need it.